Yeah.
Because now I'm handling both, no?
Yes.
Accounts is my responsibilities.
Yes.
And so
Okay,
sometimes
but
the
this new
sales
project
also.
and the sales, yeah, that
And
you'll have
documents
lot-
of the sales I also
That's very
prepared.
difficult. That's
That
very
NOC,
difficult.
demand letter is the most important paper.
Very difficult. You have a lot of work.
Yeah.
He's lucky to have you as an employee. So we'll increase 5,000, huh?
Because he will give. Because for one company I got 10,000.
Yes, now
So
this is two.
this is two. At least 5,000, so 15,000.
For
So
one
for
job.
one is on almost 7,500. 7,000.
For what?
For one company.
Yes.
If I'll
Yes, correct.
If
correct.
I'll
So
divide
he
for
has
one
He
company.
has two companies. He has two companies.
Yeah, he has two. One company is already Mahaviri Milestone Realtor LLP is going on.
Okay.
And new launching project, this is the second company.
Okay.
Other company.
Okay.
Mahavir Manav Realtors LLP.
Okay, you're part of both companies.
Yeah.
So you're doing so much work also, na?
Because my responsibility will also.
Then your salary is like dentist only, same. There's no difference.
And I'm praying to God that it please increase my salary.
I also hope.
Because not for enjoying.
Your husband is helping you now.
Yeah, helping me. But still I'm not back from him. Back to him.
Yes.
I'm not begging him also.
Correct.
That you give me so much and you give
He has
me
to
so
give you
much.
all the salary.
He didn't give me.
For the rent at least he's paying.
No, he paid, but I'm not back from him. He will pay to me, then I'll take. Otherwise, I
You
don't
don't
beg.
beg, you tell him to pay.
You know.
Your cousin is there, no lawyer?
No, here is not. He is not here. He is
Lonavala.
he is
You
at
give him a
Thane.
call.
He is at Thane. But it doesn't look good every time I call to him that
Yeah.
please help me, please help me.
So you directly tell him
Finally,
and your
it's
father
my
and
problem.
your father and mother is there, no?
So here, my
So your father can also tell him,
I
no?
also can't tell. I don't tell to him.
Your father also?
Not father.
Why?
Because it's my problem. I have to solve it.
No.
Even I didn't beg with my mother and my mom and my father also earlier when I was bachelor.
I am a beggar.
No. But your father and mother have, no?
Yes.
But my father and mother didn't have. So how can I back to him that you give me so much, you give me so much? They given me education also, it's enough for me. And I used my education to at that time also conducting.
But this nail polish is for this is different nail
This
polish.
is different. This going not
It's not
with
going
this.
with this. It doesn't matter. At least it's not chapkas.
And that's I don't.
At least it is
I
not
don't have
red
to turn
color.
every day to change the
Actually, you
knife
have
and
to. Or you can wear one nail polish which will go with everything.
Yeah.
You know, like a cream color one, which will go with everything.
It doesn't suitable for my hands.
Yeah, or
it's
light
suitable
pink,
for my
light pink.
skin. My skin colors are not fair and not dark.
Your skin color is fairer than mine.
It's low, but it's not suitable for every color and all.
Light color is okay.
That's why I used that color, which is suitable for my skin.
But light color also will suit your skin. But you like dark color.
Yeah, I like, but I don't know.
No, it's
I
nice.
like
It's
dark
very
color.
nice. Only thing it has to go with that. So at least it is not red. Thank God.
Yeah.
Because
You
red.
don't like red?
I don't like it. It's jackass.
Yeah, I
should
like
not wear-
sometimes because suppose some
for
dress
big party, for like when
some
you're going
dresses
for a
and
wedding
all.
and you're wearing that sari, then you can wear. But not all. I feel. Maybe I'm wrong.
And I use
It's very
for my
traditional.
legs.
The red is very traditional. See, you wear this red.
Yeah.
This is very traditional.
Yeah. But for legs, I used every time dark.
Dark is okay, but another color.
Yeah.
But why dark? Why not light?
No, but because my legs is broad, no? See. And if I use dark color, no? So it's look so small.
I don't know. Maybe you're right. I don't understand.
Beauty parlor lady told me to use this type of color. And some.
Then every day you have to change. If you're wearing dark color, then every day you have to change. At least for interview you have to change.
For legs, no, I used every time maroon color because it's suitable to every dresses.
No. This is better. Yeah, this is better.
And what will
Maroon
be
is also more
what will be
traditional.
today?
So what you can read this book now, that interesting stories.
See?
Yeah. This is
Still I was reading this.
Then let us read the
No, woodcutter also, but I was reading this one.
The precious advice.
Precious advice.
Okay, good.
Ramlal was a cloth merchant. He
Okay.
often sold
Cloth merchant.
cloth merchant.
Not cloth. Cloth.
Cloth.
CLOTH is cloth. Cloth. Not clo. Not
Cloth.
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 Yes. Always the Jews make this mistake.
Okay. Ramlal was a cloth merchant. Cloth merchant. He often sold
Often.
cloth. Often. He often sold cloth on
See, sold is like this. So.
sold.
Sold is correct. But
Sold.
cloth is
Cloth.
Yes.
That I have to
Open your mouth, yes.
Open my mouth
Cloth.
broadly.
Yes.
Ramlal was a cloth merchant. He often sold cloth on credit in nearby villages. One day Ramlal was returning from a nearby village
Yes.
after collecting his dues.
Yes.
He decided to rest for a while under a tree. Being tired, he soon fell asleep.
Yes.
Being tired, he soon fell
Asleep.
asleep.
Tell me the
Then
meaning of this.
Being
First tell me the
tired.
first tell me
Ramlal
no,
was a
no,
cloth
First tell me precious advice means what?
Precious advice. कीमती सलाह.
Correct.
कीमती सलाह. रामलाल वॉज अ क्लॉथ मर्चेंट. वो कपड़े बेचने का व्यापारी था.
Okay.
कपड़े का व्यापार बेचने का व्यापारी था. He often sold cloth on credit in nearby villages. वो उधारी पे बेचता था. बाजू के गांव में, छोटे से गांव में उधारी पे कपड़े बेचता था. One day Ramlal was returning from a nearby village after collecting his dues. तो एक दिन रामलाल अपना आ रहा था, बाजू के गांव से वापस आ रहा था. उसका ड्यूज जो था वो कलेक्ट करके आ रहा था, उधारी कलेक्ट करके आ रहा था. He decided to rest for a while under a tree. तो
But
उसने
you must tell your husband to give the money. That's not fair. How much is giving you in 1 month?
in 1 month sometimes 5,000, sometimes 3,000, sometimes 2,000, whatever is needable,
But then you need for the food, you need for the rent.
because I am making
Okay, that is why he's taking advantage of you. But he's paying for the children.
he is paying for the children, and each and everything is paying for the children. I didn't pay except his pocket money. Sometimes I also
How much is paying the children?
no, he fees. His fees,
It's
both
too much,
children,
it's too much,
both
too
children,
much.
it's too much. Because that son who is in Sipet engineering,
Secunderabad.
Secunderabad,
Huh.
his fees is too much.
How much?
He paid already 20,000, 12,000 first term, 12,000 for first term, and
First
12,000
term is only 6
first
months.
term only 6 months.
That means
And
2,000 per
24,000,
month. It's 2,000 per
and
month.
24,000 because he had to pay advance payment.
Okay, 2,000 per month.
So 12,000 he paid already.
That's 2,000 per month.
Huh.
Plus
His
plus
mess charges,
Huh.
food charges, hostel.
1,000 per month.
Yeah, 1,500, 700 per month.
Okay, so he's paying
1,700.
3,700 for one child.
For one child.
Yes.
And hostel charges. Hostel charges is also 3,000 per person
Per month.
per month.
Per month.
Per month.
3,000.
3,000.
I was paying 10 rupees per month because mine was government college. 3,000 per month.
3,000 per month.
It's too much.
Yeah.
And no mess, no food,
No
only
food,
stay.
only stay.
Why so much?
Only stay.
So that means it's 3,700 plus 3,000.
Plus
Means
3,000.
6,700 per month for one
6,000.
child.
6,000. It means food and
Uh-huh.
food and staying charges.
6,000 per month
Yeah.
for one child.
Yeah, for one child. And sometimes he needs instruments for engineering college.
Yes.
And that all.
That is another 500 rupees.
5,000 rupees.
Okay, 7,000 rupees per month. Then for other child?
Another child he has 500 per month school fees, and other allowances 5,000 more. Just you count it.
5,000 more.
No, sorry, 500 more.
That's
It is
only
1,000 for
It's only 8,000 per month.
and
What about
tuition
you?
fees. And tuition fees is pay 500.
That is only 8,500. What about his food?
Food I managing. No? I managed.
So you're paying more. You're paying all 10,000. And this rent he's paying.
Rent pay I paid rent.
But he's staying here.
Yeah, he's staying here. And, 3 days here, 3 days out of Aurangabad, out of Bombay.
And then
And his expenses also, no? His pocket money and his expenses. Traveling allowances and some
but he's giving you 2,000 rupees. No?
sometimes give 2,000, sometimes 3,000, whatever I need it. Suppose I beg to him that please give me some, and I need to. I don't like to beg anybody. That's why he don't give me.
Very bad.
And I have no habit to beg
You
anybody.
should not beg. He should tell you, I want to give you.
His responsibility to ask me
Yes.
every time that he
Not
needs,
ask, just give.
but he don't give without asking.
That's very bad. He should not make you ask. That is very sad. No?
Suppose sometime I beg him also.
Don't
So
beg.
he told him, he said to me that you should help me. Why you beg to me?
Totally different.
That's why I don't like arranged marriage. But love marriage is perfect.
You are very modern.
Love marriage is
Inside,
perfect. I love
inside-
love marriage.
Inside
Because
you're
you know why?
inside you're very modern.
Because you know.
You're not typical Gunju. You're Gunju, but you are also modern.
Because I like love marriage very much.
Yeah.
Very much. First choice is my love marriage. But to do love marriage, every person have to do. Every person have to do love marriage. Afterwards, they are they try to fight with each other. But
Afterwards, they will fight with
after
each other.
marriage,
Huh.
whether they fight to each other.
Huh.
But you do love marriage.
Yeah.
But do love marriage. That I love
So nice.
love marriage also. Like so
So
much.
sweet you are.
So much.
I didn't know inside you are like this. You want some nice romance books? You want Wilson book? To read in the class?
No.
Nice romance books. You like Wilson book? We all read in school.
You
Everybody
asking
reads.
me that?
Yes,
I
I'm
want
asking you.
to.
You want?
No, I don't want.
Are you sure?
No, I don't want.
Because everybody
Because I
reads that.
know that love, what is real love and what is that.
This Wilson book is not. This is just for children. But it is nice.
If I read no, that again I remind
you
that.
will think, I didn't have love marriage. I'm feeling so bad. No, but I'll give you Wilson book.
Okay.
This is another level. Like, see, this human body,
Yeah.
this, and that is another. Because we
Another
all,
body, yeah.
as teenagers, we all read Wilson book. We have to read Wilson book.
Because I loved someone earlier.
No.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I loved
You
someone.
too
But I
great
didn't get
heroine.
married. But I didn't get married.
Because of the accident.
Yeah. That's
Only because of accident. After accident, you forget that boy.
I'm not forget that, but I went to my Nana's house and grandfather's house, mother's father's house, and
Yeah.
that they arranged that everything and
Yes. But then you didn't tell them about this boy.
in typical Gujarati, padika mein wo jo packet, tiny in packet and then throw them.
I don't understand. What is that?
एक्चुअली हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, एक पैकेट में तुमको पैक करके कहीं पे भी डाल दिया ऐसा.
जैसे मुझे यूएई में डाला. I
Like
didn't know
that.
this.
I like that.
Packet.
हाँ,
I like this.
पैकेट में पैक करके डाल दिया वैसे ही हो गया.
लेकिन that boy didn't ask for you.
Like actually, what's it? I didn't ask
I think
him.
you should. That
I
boy is
didn't
married
ask
now.
him.
That boy is
I
married.
didn't ask him, and he didn't ask me.
That's not good.
Internally, we loved each other.
But you should. What is this boy's name?
Forget it.
Tell me. What is the boy's
He
name?
was also lawyer.
You have to become lawyer. You have to become lawyer.
And that time, my expectation was to be a lawyer.
Stories better than this. Better than this. Better than Wilson Boone. Really?
That time, my desire was I want to be a lawyer. But for that accident,
No,
I
you will become
didn't do
everything.
it.
Don't worry. But that accident and all has made you
That's
very
why I
strong.
didn't. That's why I didn't.
Others you would be on the cloud nine. You become very strong because of that.
So, if I didn't get an accident, suppose, so I was again I hired. मतलब और भी मैं अच्छी होती थी, और भी मैं अच्छी होती
Some
थी.
problem or the other you would have had.
क्या
In
पता?
everybody's life, no. If not this, it is something else. If I was not packed and thrown in the UAE, here I would have some big problem. I would have married and I would have gone divorced. Really.
एक्चुअली आज मैं उसको वो मेरे सामने ही है वो, पर आज यहाँ पर नहीं, तो ये नाना से बड़ा नहीं. आज मैं उनको देखती हूँ, या बाप रे, आज मैं इनको देखती हूँ ना तो मतलब इतनी
No,
He's
he
also
won't.
emotionally and he loves me so much. But he's also shy.
What's his real love story? Because I'm feeling it. And this I don't
And
know.
he's very rich. And then I don't have.
He's not helping you?
No, he's helping me. That's why I'm here. He's helped me. That's why I'm here.
This is proper love story.
He helped me. That's why I'm here.
He's very good boy. I like him. He's very good boy. But your husband knows about him? His wife knows about you? None. It's
But I
okay.
didn't meet him.
I know.
I don't meet him and all.
You don't meet him and all. He just helps you, yeah. That's okay.
And he give me helps through. Because he knows my problems and all.
Wow, this
and
is like
all.
movie. But you know, he should
I
tell.
got the job
But
for
he
him.
should tell his wife. You
By
got the
him.
job to
I got the
thank
job
God.
by him.
But you know
You
what?
know?
Okay, you don't tell your husband, but he should tell his wife, I feel. And both of them should help you, I feel. I feel, I may be wrong, but in a perfect
But
way.
you know,
That
the
wife
ladies'
will not like, yeah.
mentality is very,
Very,
different.
very
Very
cheap,
different.
very cheap,
cheap.
yeah. She will not understand that purity.
Yeah. Purity, yeah.
She will be suspicious and she will
Yeah.
be jealous and she will be unhappy and all.
Maybe she fights with him.
Yeah, she will break his peace of mind.
Yeah. And he's very understanding person. He is very, very much understanding
But
person.
thank God he is there, na? Thank God he is there. You don't meet and all, na? Slowly, na, you become that lawyer and all, and then you cut out from him. Slowly. Don't maintain afterwards. When you don't need,
Yeah, I'm not maintaining. I'm
yeah,
not.
because it's not good actually, you know.
I'm not. I don't meet
Even
him.
in the mind, if you keep,
I
na,
don't meet him.
it's not good for his wife. Because he loves you. He doesn't love his wife. Some little bit. So that na is not, now it's okay because
I don't
you
know
need.
he loves his wife or not.
He loves, but
maybe
he
loves,
also
but
likes you. So that is not good for the wife.
no, that's why I don't meet him. No.
Yes,
I don't meet him.
but in the heart and in the mind, it is
I
there.
never called him also.
Very good.
Never called
So
him
now
also
you
because
need,
he's fine.
no, now you need help. That is fine.
Yeah.
But after that, after your children and all that, after you do your law, na, then you cut off. You cut off.
It's no need to cut off that because heartly relation is never cut. When you whatever you try, you never cut.
Since you really like him in a very pure way.
Pure way. That's why.
But from this side, it may not be pure. From his side, maybe he loves you differently.
No. I feel.
He's a boy.
I feel like no. I
Huh?
feel like that. He never.
Like a sister?
No.
No.
No, because I love him. No, I want to marry with. I
But
wanted
then he
to marry
has a
with
wife,
him.
no? He's
I wanted
married,
to marry
no?
with him.
He's married, no, Meeta, that's a big
Clearly,
problem.
I am saying you. Clearly, I am saying that I wanted to marry with him.
I know, but now he's
Because
not.
you know what actually
you have to cut
जो
off.
हमारे में बोलते हैं ना कि लड़के लड़की का जो प्रपोजल आता है तो मुझे प्रपोजल आया था उसकी तरफ से
Idiots,
तो
why they
अभी
did-
तो ये तो जानते हो जो हुआ वो
When the
हुआ
proposal came,
because
these
my
people said
mother
no.
refused me because
Why?
he is also elder than me like 10 to 12 years
So
elder
what?
than me and my mother didn't tell me that your
Proposal has
proposal
come.
has come.
But he also didn't tell you.
Yeah,
Both of you should have.
because he is also he elder than no he is very understanding person. He thought that her mother is refused, then why she will
But you know, Meeta, you have to cut off from the heart also. You have to, because
can't,
it is
I
not
can't.
like proper heroine like Nutan and that Shobha.
Don't tell me. Please
Kote.
don't give me this
No,
advice.
I am giving you this
Please
advice
don't give
because
me.
I really like you, and
I
I'm
know.
giving you this proper advice that you should not that in the heart, no, because it's not brother sister like.
Yeah,
So,
no,
so you
no
cannot.
brother, sister.
No, now it's okay because you need the help, yeah. But you have to cut off from the heart. You have to because he's married. He has and we are not Muslims that we have two wives and two.
Yeah.
We are not Muslims.
I'm not ready to stay with like this.
Huh, but so what? You're thinking only physical is marriage. No, mental is also marriage. Mind में भी होता है. Yes, होता है. Believe me. So that is not fair to that woman. See, suppose you were in her situation and it is so bad for her, no?
I don't think so, but
Why?
I can't think.
Suppose
that I was in
suppose you were in that wife situation and your husband.
But I was his wife, no, because we love each other. We
No.
loved each other.
But because of that time and destiny, God took it away for some reason. Now you cannot have that.
I don't know.
That apple you cannot have. Why I'm saying apple? No?
I felt that
Adam and Eve.
I had married.
God said don't have that apple. They said no, we want that apple and now you're out of it. So that you cannot meet up, but not now, not now. After some time, when your son is really grown up, you have to do law also, and you must not take the job that he gives. You must not take any help from him. No, really, I'm telling you. Why I am saying? See, I don't know him. I don't know. Well, I have nothing to do with
You're
it.
saying I feel like this.
You must feel that. That is why I'm telling you. You must feel that. No, slowly, slowly. Not now. Slowly, slowly. Now, okay, it's good because now you need help, na. But you must cut away. When you're on your own feet, na. When you're standing on your own feet, you are making very good money. You see, when you do law, you will make good money. No. Then
Because I'm not taking help with him.
I know that.
From him for the only for money. Because it's
you must cut off, because this is not okay for that other woman. This no in the big
If I
picture.
don't meet him also.
Yes,
that's
even
why.
if you don't
Even
meet
I
him,
know.
yes, because that is there, the connection is there in your heart. That is not okay because he is not your husband, and for him also, for his wife also, it's not good. So little bit of injustice को क्या बोलते हैं? अन्याय हो रहा है उसका वाइफ के साथ, अन्याय हो रहा है. ठीक है, आपके साथ बड़ा अन्याय हो गया, आपके साथ तो बहुत बड़ा अन्याय हुआ तो आपको लग रहा है तो ये तो छोटी सी बात है. नहीं, छोटी सी बात है. आपको बिल्कुल वो, लेकिन अभी नहीं, बाद में. After you do law, after your son is very, after you become very rich, when you become very rich, like you are earning 50,000 per month, then you cut off.
How you feel like this type of feeling?
It's very
How can you
painful.
feel?
What? Me?
Yeah.
What feeling?
This type of that she feels bad.
I can understand that. Because if I'm in her situation and my husband loves another and I don't know, and I'm unpad gawar and I'm villager, but I'm very nice person, then I will feel so bad, that my husband. And somewhere in my mind, I know that. In the back of the mind, we know that and we don't know why my husband doesn't like me. I don't understand. I don't know that he has girlfriend from before. That is so bad. Means she must be a very nice person. Then it is not fair. It is very sad for her. It is not good. You must never do that to another person. But not now. In later. Now you need help. This God has done that for you, for your help. But like angel, like Farishta.
Yeah.
But when you become rich, you will become rich. You must, because you're Guju. Then you must not take any help from him. You must completely cut him off. You must be strong for that. You must do surgery. I'll teach you surgery. Surgery, operation.
How to do surgery?
Operation?
Yeah, I know.
Operation करना पड़ेगा. Okay for that whole. Because see, suppose my father has another girlfriend and all, I would feel so bad. Even their children will not like. Now see this Hema Malini, the Dharmender, his children, they don't like Hema Malini. Yeah, that Bobby Deol hates her.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right?
Why Hema Malini married this Dharmender twice? He already had, na. So she is a beauty queen.
Actually,
she can marry hundreds.
Actually, do you know Hema Malini is also third wife of Dharmendra?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bad fellow he is. Who's the second one?
The second one is Bobby Deol's mother, and first one was
Yeah.
different.
Very bad guy. And he became Muslim. Arey wow. To get married. No, what I'm saying is that much of anger is still there with that Bobby Deol towards Hema Malini. Even now he hates her. He hates her. Suppose my father has somebody, I will hate
But
that
in
person.
film city, every person is this type of like this
Not
type.
every person. I will tell you who's
Most
good.
of person.
Shah Rukh is good.
No, Shah Rukh is also
No, he likes Priyanka, but they cut off.
internally all are same.
I saw Shah Rukh in the dental clinic. I was in Dadar, 96, 95. Sandesh Mayekar, in Dadar. Shah Rukh came with his wife Gauri and some two friends. So he had this Akal pain. So I had to write the medicine for him. He said, yeah, what is this? What is this? I said, this 3 times a day, this 3 times a day. Put it in his
We
pocket.
give him an advice.
I was like on heaven. Then I went back to college and I told everybody I prescribed for Shah Rukh Khan. When I saw him, I thought it's not real. He came ordinary, in ordinary shirt.
Yeah, they all are human beings. No, they are not
Yes.
God.
He looks like ordinary
Even I
boy.
saw Amitabh Bachchan like this.
I never seen.
That time flood was there. So for the flood, they went out to collect some clothes and funds and all.
Donation, yeah.
That time I saw him.
He Shahrukh is nice man.
Shahrukh Khan is nice. Every
He's a
person
very
is
nice
nice.
guy.
Every person is
No, he
nice.
doesn't have
But
girlfriends.
for in Film City, all are like.
No, but only recently he liked Priyanka because that Priyanka is mad. She is dead about.
Priyanka Chopra.
Yes, she absolutely was totally about Shahrukh.
Yeah.
She's mad, like mad person.
I read somewhere about her that.
Then this Gauri, no, she completely cut her off.
What's her name?
So you're a heroine, Meeta. That's how you're super Meeta. That's how you're getting energy because you have love inside. Which is good that you have love. Other people don't have love. You have love. You know, this is very good. But when you become rich, 50,000 per month when you're earning, now you should earn 50,000. You don't think that you know. You should not purposely go backwards.
No.
You should come forward.
I'm thinking like that you have to say like this that you then you don't try to earn 50,000.
Yeah, you don't think that you know we 50,000 earn nahi karenge, you know.
Okay, can I read it?
Then you will be busy with your son and his wife and then son's children. You will be busy. Don't worry. Cut him off. Very bad guy. It's okay now that I'm saying this.
No,
I'm
it's
just
okay,
saying what I
it's okay,
feel.
Every person gives advice.
Yes,
and
what I think, what they think. Finally, you will decide. Finally, heroine will decide.
No,
I'm only side character.
you are teacher. You are my teacher.
I'm side character,
You are my teacher.
but also side
No.
character person.
When Ramlal awoke,
Awoke. Yeah, awoke.
When Ramlal
Awoke.
awoke, he saw a flock of parrots around him. How nice it would be! It would be if I took one of them home as a pet. He thought. Ramlal threw his shoulder scarf on the flock of the parrots and caught one. Reaching
I'm
home,
going to get you Mills and Boone. I'm going to get you Mills and Boone.
Reaching home, Ramlal named the parrot Totara.
Totaram is very nice name.
He bought a beautiful golden cage for the parrot, which had a bar, a swing, and a bowl for water. In the golden cage, parrot was given its favorite food, chilies, guavas, and pomegranates. Ramlal and his children would often talk to the parrot, and the parrot learned to speak a few words. After some time, once again Ramlal decided to go to village to collect his dues. He said to Todara, I'm going on the same route. Do you have any message for your friends? The parrot answered, Master, please tell them that the parrot enjoys delicious food and drink and he is living in a golden cage. While returning, Ramlal rested again under the same tree. When he awoke, he saw parrots flock to him. One of them asked Ramlal, Where is our friend? How is he? Ramlal repeated the message of Totara. The parrot enjoys delicious food and drinks and he is living in a golden cage. As the parrot heard the message, they dropped themselves down and lay like lifeless birds. Ramlal thought that all the parrots have died of shock. Reaching home, Ramlal said to Totara, I repeated your message and your friends dropped down like lifeless birds. As Totaram heard Ramlal's word, he too dropped down on the floor of the cage. Ramlal thought his parrot too and died of shock. His parrot too and had died of shock. So he took the parrot out of the cage and put it under a tree. Suddenly the parrot flapped its wings and flew away saying, I have got the message of my dear ones and I am going back to them.
Yes, but I didn't understand. Could you tell me what it is?
From here, no?
Yeah, from here. When Ramlal awoke.
When Ramlal awoke, he saw a flock of parrots around him. जब रामलाल उठा तो उसने देखा कि पैरोट का जो पूरा फ्लॉक है उसके आजू बाजू में बैठा है. How nice it would be if I took one of them home at a pet. मैं अपने शायद कितना अच्छा होता अगर मैं इसमें से एक को अपने घर पे एज ए पेट लेके जाता. He thought Ramlal threw his shoulder scarf on the flock of the parrot and caught one. रामलाल ने अपना शोल्डर से अपना स्कार्फ निकाला और उन लोगों के ऊपर फेंक के एक पैरट को कैच किया। रीचिंग होम रामलाल नेम द पैरट तोताराम। घर पे पहुंचने के बाद उसने पैरट का नाम तोताराम रखा। He thought a beautiful gold. He brought a beautiful golden cage for the parrot. उसने सोने का पिंजरा लाया। Which had a bar.
Today looking very good. No, every day looking good, but because this is sober color, na. The other gold was इसका थोड़ा change करना.
Okay, I'll change.
Because red, na, red.
For the parrot. Which had a bar. उसमें bar था, kick.
नहीं.
Bar. That's called bar. Bar. A swing. झूला था. And ball for water. पानी का ball था. In the golden cage. Bowl. In the golden cage, parrot was given its favorite food. वो सोने के पिंजरे में पैरट का फेवरेट खाना भी रखा था। चिलीज, गुआवाज एंड पॉम्ग्रेनेट। मिर्ची, पेरू और दाड़म बोलते हैं गुजराती में। पॉम्ग्रेनेट, वो लाल लाल दाना आता है ना।
हाँ, मैंने नहीं खाया शायद।
दाड़म बोलते हैं गुजराती में।
अच्छा।
अनार
हाँ।
जिसमें पॉम्ग्रेनेट
Yes.
वो रेड हो रहते हैं।
You know better. मैं बस
You
mix
didn't
खाना-
see?
मैंने देखा होगा लेकिन आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एंड मैं इतना एडवेंचरस नहीं हूँ। मैं बस फिक्स्ड खाना खाती हूँ
अच्छा।
हर टाइम।
You don't have fruits?
बहुत फ्रूट्स लेकिन वही फ्रूट्स
जो आपके
मतलब
पास
जो
है। Which fruits you like?
No, I have oranges because it contains vitamin C. I like guavas, I like peru, I like mangoes, I like jackfruit, I like along with
Bananas and-
grapes. Bananas sometimes, apples okay.
And the pomegranate is also
I
red
think which has
dana.
vitamin C
Red
and all.
dana, no? Red dana. And
You like red, na?
red. Red dana.
Okay.
And it taste in the taste is sour like a grape.
Yes, I think I know. Yes.
Ramlal and his children would often talk to the parrot. वो हर बार उसे बात करते रहते थे. And the parrot learned to speak a few words. पैरट भी बात करना तो थोड़े बहुत वर्ड्स शब्द बोलना सीख गया।
मेरा जो सामने है ना बांद्रा,
हाँ।
उनके पास वो पैरट था, अभी नहीं है।
अच्छा, वो भी लड़ाई करता होगा ना। मतलब
वो ठीक तरह से
पैरट क्या होता है, जिसके घर में रहता है उसी टाइप का वो हो जाता है पैरट।
हाँ, लेकिन ये लोग बस उनसे लड़ाई
Fighter
कर रहे हैं
person
ना,
के
किसी
साथ।
और के साथ ही लड़ाई नहीं कर रहे।
सिर्फ आपके साथ।
हाँ, नहीं वो कुर्मी और यादव बाकी लोगों के साथ भी, कुर्मी बाकी लोगों के साथ भी करता है, लेकिन ये वांद्रा बस मेरे साथ।
After some time, once again, Ramlal decided to go village to collect his dues.
हाँ।
थोड़ी दिन के बाद उसने फिर से एक बार फिर से डिसाइड किया कि अभी मैं विलेज जाके अपना ड्यूज जो कलेक्ट करके आता हूँ। He said to Totara, I am going to on the same route. Do you have any message for your friends? मैं सेम रूट से जा रहा हूँ, क्या तुम्हारे पास उनको देने के लिए कोई मैसेज है? तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स को मैं मैसेज दूँ? The parrot answered. पैरट ने कहा, मास्टर प्लीज टेल देम द पैरट एंजॉयज डिलिशियस फूड एंड ड्रिंक एंड ही इज लिविंग इन अ गोल्डन केज. उसको इतना बोलो कि मैं सोने के पिंजरे में रहता हूँ, अच्छा खाना खाता हूँ, अच्छी तरह से जीता हूँ. While returning, रामलाल rested again under the same tree. तो जब वो वापस आ रहा था तो फिर से वही सेम ट्री के नीचे आराम रेस्ट करने के लिए लेट गया.
एक्सक्यूज मी, एक मिनट. सपना, अभी हमको नहीं मालूम ना कि वो रविशंकर परसों आने वाला है कि नहीं. आज थर्सडे है तो सैटरडे वो आएगा कि नहीं हमको नहीं मालूम ना. लेकिन मैं उसको नहीं बुलाऊंगी क्योंकि वो बॉय है ना, फिर वो उसको अच्छा लगेगा, यू नो, फिर वो ऐसा सिचुएशन क्रिएट करेगा कि मैं उसको बुलाऊं और उसका वाइफ गया, वो आके मुझे मारेगी. तो मुझे जरा बताओ कि उनको जरा पूछो कि सैटरडे को आएंगे कि नहीं. आज उसको अच्छी तरह से डांट मिला होगा, अपनी मैडम ने दिया होगा उसको, तो उसका रिप्लाई आप मुझे बताओ. कल मैं आऊंगी ना. अच्छा, कल आप नहीं आ रहे. हाँ, तो कल आएगा कि परसों आएगा, जरा मुझे बताना.
Before 4 days, you told me, no, that how is looking he.
हाँ.
That time I didn't answer him.
Yes.
That I don't like to precious every chance.
Yes.
Each and every time. I don't like.
You don't like to
What say? Sorry, I don't praise
praise. You don't like to praise all these guys.
all things
Guys.
All these guys.
Why?
I don't like because they all get
You only
misunderstand.
like one guy.
Not that.
Yeah,
Not that meaning. Not that meaning.
Yes.
Only
You don't like him,
every
that's why.
every person.
But yeah, you don't like
Even my
Bhaiya.
colleague sometimes wears nice shorts and all. I don't
No, I said that because comparatively, like from what he was before and what he is now.
because earlier sir was there, no?
Yes.
So he also asked me many times how is looking he.
how's he looking?
How is he looking? He looks nice,
sir
no?
wants to know whether he's
Sir,
looking good.
yeah.
Whether sir is looking good.
Sir nahi. Sir asked me.
Whether Ravi Shankar.
How
Whether-
Ravi Shankar is looks. How Ravi
Why is
Shankar is
asking
looks.
you? Both of you were studying together.